What is going on, everyone? Welcome in this new tutorial on how to earn free crypto on OKX Exchange. So what you have to do is you have to download the mobile application of OKX Exchange. After that, you have to verify your account and create a wallet in this app. And if you have done that, then you can simply click on the present icon right on the top. And there you will see invite friends and earn 20 euros in Bitcoin for free. Each time you let a friend sign up for this exchange, and he will trade a amount of more than 100 euros in crypto, then you will get both 20 euros in Bitcoin for free. And it's unlimited, so if you have invited like 10 friends and all 10 of your friends will trade for at least 100 euros each trade, then you will all get 20 euros of Bitcoin for free. So 10 times 20 euros is already 200 euros of free Bitcoin you can earn. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next crypto tutorial. See you guys. Bye bye.